I'm going to make tofu with shiitake mushroom. I have about 1 box of tofu and 6 mushroom and 2 slices of ginger and half ounce of green onion, 1 ounce of red pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And for the tofu, I'm using a pinch of salt. Put a pinch of salt in it. Okay, then I put two tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, then you mix. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch on it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and then for the sauce, I put 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and half teaspoon of red pepper crushed. So I'm gonna put all the seasoning in it, the sauce. Put the oyster sauce and the rice vinegar, sugar, and the pepper, and mix. And also I use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of just plain water. Okay, and mix it and put it on the side first. Okay, I'm going to put some oil in it. And I'm going to pan fry it. When you see the edge like this, they are brown a little bit, then you're going to turn it over another side. I see the brown pretty good, the color look pretty good now, so I'm going to remove it. It's good. Okay. And I'm going to finish the rest of it. Okay, this is the second one that's going to be done right now. See, it look nice and brown. So then I'm going to be remove it right now. Then I'm going to using the same wok. So I put the ginger in it, and onion, and stir it around a little bit. Then I'm going to add the mushroom in it, and the pepper. That is a shiitake mushroom. Then I'm put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in it. Then I put the tofu back into it. And put the sauce in it. Okay, then I'm gonna cover it for half minute. Okay, this is half minute already. Looks good right now. So I put a little bit cornstarch with water in it. Okay, that looks good. That is all done. Okay, that is all done. That's what I make today. The shiitake mashed with tofu. Then I garnish with some green onion on top of it.